If your washer will fill up, but it won't agitate or spin, there's a couple of things you're going to probably want to consider. One, it may be a lid switch or your door switch that's not allowing the machine to go. The other components that are involved as well is going to be your timer or your electronic control board and relay board. So those are sort of your control sides of the operation that run your motor. So of course that means you could possibly have a problem with your motor. So if it won't go at all, you're either maybe hearing a humming sound or you're not getting any sounds at all. If it's a humming sound, it may be a problem with the motor itself, or possibly something's jammed in between the tubs that's stopping it from being able to go, so you're just going to get that humming sound. If there's no sound whatsoever, then you're going to have to go through it and look to see if possibly the thermal protector in the motor has failed, or there's just an open circuit within the motor. On front load, if you're not getting an agitate or spin at all, it could actually be a speed sensor that's giving you the issue. It could also be one of the windings in the stator that's giving you the trouble. And if not, you're probably going back and looking at some of the control circuits. Either if it's not door switch, then it's actually probably going to be your relay board or the control board that tells the relay board to turn on the motor.